Tennis elbow is the common name for pain at the outside of the elbow. It is clinically referred to as lateral epicondylgia or epicondylitis. The tendon here can get damaged from overuse of the muscles in the forearm that support your wrist position. You may notice it is difficult to grip objects, twist, or bend your arm. When a part of your body is in pain, you will want to protect it and avoid the pain. The program in TrackActive Me will guide you through exercises designed to make your arm healthy again by moving joints correctly and strengthening all the affected muscles. You will need to stick to the exercises for several weeks to see change. Identify what activities and movements cause pain in your elbow and forearm. Here are a few ideas that may help you modify the activities. Reduce repetitive movements, particularly those that involve gripping and moving your wrist at the same time. Use bigger muscles and joints to carry things, preferably with your palms facing up. A tennis elbow brace may be useful to wear during activity that causes discomfort. These can usually be purchased at a pharmacy or therapy clinic. It does take a bit of problem solving to reduce the stress on the tendon, but it will be worth it. Keep active with your therapy program and other activities you enjoy. Lower body activities such as swimming or walking might be a good idea. You can also choose from our library of Pilates, stretching, and lower body strengthening programs. Just select Stay Strong and Healthy in the TrackActive Me chat feature.